Here we have Vivian's puppies. They are a week old today. We've got 2 girls and a boy. The first one is Margot, and she's got quite a bit of color on her, both sides of her head. Kind of dark. And then the rest of her is white. Little Margot. And then the next one is Mona. And Mona has just color all over her. Just you can see she's got little spots all over. And on her face as well. And then last but not least is little Marco, and he is our all-white boy.
He's white.
Yeah, he is. He's really white. Pretty. Yeah. And there's Mommy wanting to get in the picture. Mommy want to come in, huh? Vivian. 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 There she is.
Okay.
Well, the little white boy's all calm. He's like, okay, I'm pooped. I'm tuckered out here. Yeah. Yeah. Gonna be all comfy there. Yeah.
We're gonna go in the crate.
Yeah. All right. So there are Vivian's puppies, 1 week old.